Hi all, welcome back to our channel Subtech Online, the only channel where we keep learning. At Subtech Online, we do tutorials, we do consultancy in data analysis. Uh, we also do graphics and design. So mostly in graphics and design, we deal with, we use the applications, that is Adobe packages. We have a lot of applications embedded into the package, that is more than 20. Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Adobe Dreamweaver. There are many things you can do with Adobe. So please consult us. We shall always be at your request. Shall always come out with that video, show you the tutorial how you can do it yourself. Subtech Online, the theme is do it yourself. Now on data analysis, we deal with all the packages in Microsoft, Google. We have even the other packages where they do data analysis. We have many applications on the universe, but at the moment we are looking at what can you deal with and do it yourself. That is now for Microsoft Office, we have Excel, we have Google Sheets in Google, we have Power BI, we have Google Data Studio. You just have fancy reports and dashboards from such applications. It is just work smart, by the way. Don't work hard, work smart. Work smart. Then in Excel, we have many people who have subscribed for the online classes. Online classes are going on. That is on Zoom. Excel, basically, we do three parts in Excel. We do the Excel, the basic, we do the intermediate, and the advanced Excel. Now, breaking it down, the basic is all about what Excel is. I know someone may think like, no, I can't go back to learn how to save, how to delete. No, it is not that. This is all about data analysis. How do you do it before you start analyzing your data? That is the basic part of it. Data mining and data cleaning, that is the basic part of it. Now, we also go for Excel formulas. We have millions and billions of Excel formulas. The good part of it is the formulas we use in Excel, they are comparably the same as the formulas we use in Google Sheets. So the moment you have learned the formulas in Excel, then with Google Sheets, it's just a walkover. Google Sheets is that it is online. Even now, Excel has had, it has a version which is online called Excel 365. Please go there, read about the 365. It is awesome. The advanced formulas. Are you the person who wants always to sit and things do them by themselves? Automate your report. Every morning, just have to click a share button and share to the people responsible. Don't hustle doing the same report daily. Just subscribe, Subtech Online. We shall be there for you. We shall help you automate your reports. We also go for formatting and presentation of data. How do you present data? Is all data that you have is supposed to be presented? No. Every group of people you present to, they have data they need. They have visuals they need to look at. So not every graph can be presented to any group of people. So let's say you have two groups of people. You have a kid and your boss. Sorry to compare the two, but the data I'm supposed to tell a kid is not the data I'm supposed to tell my boss. They are different. And there is also that part of decision making. You can't just drop figures and someone makes a decision from the figures. Make awesome curves that show the forecast, the benefits. Analyze it that way. At the end of the day, you'll find that your business is running. So we have conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is like how you hear it is conditional. You condition data to do something. If this is like this, then do this. We have charts. We have the basic part of it and the advanced charting in Excel. There are many charts in Excel. We are just used to bars and line graphs and pie charts. No, 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 no. There are many charts. I can't make a decision from a pie chart. There are many charts we have. There are very many millions of them. Connect with Excel. We have Power BI. We have Google Sheets. All those charts are there. Please subscribe. I repeat it. We have interactive and dynamic Excel. That is data, cards, and graphs. Have you ever been there and you just make a click and a report or a graph changes itself? Have you ever been there and you just slide between months or between days and the report changes by itself? Then subscribe. Subtech Online is here for you. You looking at me. Then we have data validation. Do you know how to validate data? Sorting, filtering. It is not just a basic way of filtering, select this. No. Sort your data, let it be dynamic. It will sort itself. Yes. We also have pivot tables. Pivot tables, that is a wide topic we can go for. Always, you'll find that if you are to do data analysis, you'll always have to have a pivot. You have to summarize your data. You can't deal with a billion cells combining all trash data you don't need even, but you don't need to delete it. But at the end of the day, you need a summary from that data. The solution is pivot tables. Working with external data. Yes, we are in Excel. You have an Excel sheet. You have worked with it. You have got graphs. You have got tables, blah, blah, blah. Have you ever thought about getting data from another application, not Excel? And you have to use the same data to analyze in Excel? Have you ever thought about having data from 4 different systems and you have to combine it at once? Have one report? Yes. Subtech Online. Subscribe. We have the solution. Then Excel dashboards. We have a lot of videos we have done about dashboards. I know they cannot end. There are many themes we can use. There are many visuals you need to put in a dashboard. And by the way, what is a dashboard?